Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, May 16th, 2001, 10 a.m. My child, let yourself be carried away by this melodious stream of love. We know how much this speech appeases you. Love is the key for you. There is nothing more beautiful. We understand it and we want to answer this call, one that we can fulfill. We can talk forever about this topic since this energy is the driving force of the world's more precisely. On this planet, it does not take on its full meaning in man's perception of it. Yet its manifestation is very powerful since it is divine. Humanity in the future will entirely tune into this vibration. A new race is dawning on the horizon. It is mutating and preparing the new era. This race will not get bogged down in vain speeches, terrorist acts, and excesses of all sorts. We all here are working to prepare these distant times, which are inexorably in the offing. Pray for the advent of this better world. Your descendants will know it. Even if time cannot be measured concerning this advent, the result will eventually be there. Babuji Maharaj. Thursday, May 17th, 2001, 10 a.m. My daughter, you have understood it for a long time. Loving God is a fundamental concept. The being cannot find its true dimension without this faculty of opening itself to love. Blessed are simple hearts entirely turned towards this noble destination, always going further ahead in this sublime search by devoting oneself to it, body and soul. These beings are vectors, which in their turn radiate a subtle energy. What they receive, they give it again a hundredfold, and this action can be felt well far off from this point of impact up to the beyond. The divine energy knows no barrier. It is unlimited and its manifestation can take place ad infinitum. This energy is of a pure and unique essence. Nothing can be compared to it. It is not easy to describe the imperceptible, the invincible to the human eye. While being refined, man's heart becomes more receptive. This possibility of grasping the unutterable unfolds before him. He remains stunned while proceeding with this discovery. His surprises are far from over. Let faculties hitherto unsuspected develop in you. Let yourself be won over by love, this power capable of everything that is the best. Babuji Maharaj.